Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Riya this side, and I hope you are doing good. If yes, then you should subscribe to this channel. If not, then you definitely should subscribe to this channel. And on this channel I post content related to fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So for today's video I am going to create this makeup look using all the product that you should have in your vanity. If you have all these products, then you are not going to need even a single more product. These are all you should have in your vanity. So yes, I am going to create this monochromatic glossy and glowy makeup look using all the products that you need, and everything here is affordable. And I was really excited about this video क्योंकि मुझे ऐसी बैठ के मेकअप करने वाली वीडियोस बहुत पसंद है, and I hope you will enjoy this video too. And now without wasting any more time, let's just start the video. So let's start with today's makeup. As you already know that we need to create a glowy natural sort of makeup look. So for that I'm going to start with this strobing cream from Maybelline, and it is in the shade pink. So it gives a really natural effect on your face and it looks really pretty. For me it is a must have क्योंकि इससे एक बहुत ही नेचुरल लुक आता है. एंड फॉर डेली बेसिस यू डोंट नीड टू अप्लाई अ लॉट ऑफ शिमरी हाइलाइटर, यू नीड अ सटल हाइलाइटर. Make a few drops on my face. And before applying this strobing cream, you definitely need to do a really good skin care because उससे बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. To have a flawless makeup look plus to give it a natural glow and natural brightness to your face, you just need a really good स्किन केयर रूटीन. सो डू दैट. और मैंने बहुत अच्छे से अपनी स्किन पे मॉइस्चराइजेशन कर ली थी बिफोर अप्लाइंग दिस स्ट्रोबिंग क्रीम. Now moving on to our next step, which is going to be the base. The first product that you definitely should have in your vanity is going to be for your base, and this is Cushion Foundation. Now Cushion Foundation is one of my favorite product of all. Cushion Foundation has that coverage जो we need on a daily basis. इसको लगाने के बाद you don't need to apply normal foundation. आपको concealer लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. It just give the perfect coverage जो एक daily basis पे हमको चाहिए होती है. Like we need a natural type of makeup look which I think इससे बहुत अच्छे से create हो सकता है. And when you have it, you don't need anything for your base. And trust me on that. The second option that you can do is you can have a concealer for a daily basis. If you are not sure about Cushion Foundation, you can always go for a concealer. This is something which I use on a daily basis, and if not this, then this is for sure. I don't go for a foundation on a daily basis. I am going to use both of them. I will use this on my left side and concealer on my right side, so you will see yourself. So I'll just take it and I will start applying it. And yes, the Cushion Foundation on this side is completely done. You can see the difference. It just gives the perfect coverage. Now थोड़ा बहुत आपको लिड से अजीब लग रहा होगा, but trust me, trust the process. जब complete हो जाएगा makeup look, then you will see how flawless it looks. Now moving on towards the right side, and for that I am going to use this concealer from Wet n Wild. Now I am not going to apply obviously this on my whole face. I'll just use it under my eyes, on my lid. Yeah, बस इतना ही. I will not apply it anywhere else. I will now blend it using my beauty blender, and you can already see कितना खराब हो चुका है. I need to clean this as soon as possible. Now I will start blending from outer corner. Let's just apply the powder, and I am using this K Beauty's banana powder. Now we are done with the powdering part. So for powder, I love using this K Beauty का loose powder. I think for a daily basis, and for overall, if you need a powder, I think you should definitely go for a loose powder. बहुत affordable loose powder भी आते हैं. But I think buying a loose powder will definitely gonna benefit you. मुझे loose powder बहुत पसंद है. I don't like compact at all. So yes, I think you should have a loose powder definitely with you. Now moving on to our next product and next step. Going to be for a blush. Now I don't like a lot of having a lot of blush palettes. जैसे भी we are gonna use our lipstick as our blush. एक ऐसा है कि ये universal है कि we don't need a blush palette for that. And उस चीज को माइंड में रखते हुए I think having a lip and cheek tint I think is one of the best option for you. And you can definitely go for this Lakme 925 lip and cheek color. I have this in nude cushion and this is one of my favorite pink nude shade. I think this is my only pink nude shade that I have with me. So yes, you can go for a shade like this. And now I will blend it using my fingers. Now moving on to our next product and next step is going to be the eyebrow product. Now for eyebrow product, what you can do is if you have bushy eyebrows, then you can go for a clear gel like this. उससे आपकी eyebrow set रहेंगी and it will be easier for you. But if you have eyebrow like me, then you can go for a eyebrow pencil like this. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि शार्प करने वाली पेंसिल ज्यादा बेटर रिट्रैक्टेबल पेंसिल्स होती हैं क्योंकि इनमें तो प्रोडक्ट भी बहुत अच्छा खासा आ जाता है एंड यू डोंट नीड टू शार्प एंड वेस्ट योर प्रोडक्ट इन दैट. So yes, I just love it. Also, it comes with a spoolie, so this is a plus point. So you can see the difference between both the eyebrows, and I will repeat the same on this side, and then I will be back. Now I am going to use this brow gel as well. I think this is one product which is worth trying, so you can definitely try this e.l.f. का clear brow and lash mascara. Moving on to our next product and next step, we have to do our eyes. Now for eyes, for a daily basis, I don't think you should owe a lot of palettes. I think you should have either you can go for a basic one. If you don't like to try different colors on your eyes, then you can go for a basic one which is a nude or neutral palette. But if you like to have a little bit of color in your palette, then you can definitely go for this palette right here. Have these neutral colors and also the colorful colors as well. So I am going to use this palette today because I think this is all-in-one sort of palette. I am going to use this brown shade सबसे पहले. I will not go above the crease, I will go under the crease. Now this is the most important and my favorite step, which is this brown kajal. Now I love using a brown kajal on my daily basis और ये अभी कुछ टाइम पहले से ही मेरे रूटीन में आया है. Now brown kajal क्या है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा ना blended लगता है. I'll just keep it very close to my lash line. Now what I'm going to do is I will take patla wala blending brush and I will just blend it. Now next thing what I'm going to do is I will take that dark brown shade again and बिल्कुल काजल के पास रखते हुए I will blend it. Now what I'm going to do is I will apply this kajal in my lower lash line as well, but I am not going to apply it पूरी lash line पे. I will just apply यहाँ तक. Moving on to our next step, which is going to be the lashes. Now for lashes, this mascara right here, and I just love this mascara. It is a voluminous mascara. First I will be taking the clear mascara. Now I will go with this mascara again on it. Now moving on to our last step, which is going to be a nude lipstick. Now you definitely should have a nude lipstick in your vanity. Like it is a must have. अगर आपके पास red नहीं है चलेगा, pink नहीं है चलेगा, purple नहीं है चलेगा, but you definitely should have a nude lipstick. I think brown nude is one shade जो हर किसी की skin tone पे, especially Indian skin tone पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So yes, I will definitely recommend you to have at least 2 to 3 types of brown nudes क्योंकि उससे बहुत impact पड़ता है. You can use them for occasion, you can use for daily basis. So yes, now I'll keep my mouth shut and just apply this lipstick. Now to give it a little natural look, मैंने क्या किया है, मैंने सिर्फ बाउंड्री क्रिएट कर लिया है एंड आई विल जस्ट spread it inwards. If you want to go for a matte look, then definitely you should go for matte. I too used to love mattes before, but nowadays I am just into glossy lips. I don't know why, I just have been loving the glossy lips, but I will wait for it to dry and then I will apply the lip gloss. But before that, I will just apply this strobing cream again, a very little amount, just on my cheek. Now I'll just blend it. Now the last step, which is going to be a lip gloss, and I am going to use this Insight ka lip gloss. It is in the shade Frost, which is a clear gloss. This is the final look, you guys. Alright, so this is it for today's video. I hope you liked this video and this makeup look that I created today. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon with it too, so that next time I post a new video, you will get notified. And do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And I shall see you in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and bye bye.